let's give you some more examples. Okay, I equals blah 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 here. X equals 10, Y equals 5. What is I? So so somehow you've got to work out this I here. When you see this, it's actually one bubble multiplying this massive bubble over here. Okay, and within, so you got to square root the whatever's inside inside this long line here. So basically, there's a bubble here, and then you've got to take away this bubble here, and then you've got to add 5, and then all that you're going to have to square root all of the 3 bubbles there. Okay, so let's try and do this then. So 4, let's take the 4 down. 4 square root. Let's work out this bit now. 3x. X is 10. So you've got to put the 10 into the x. So 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, take the minus down, and then try and do this bit inside your head here. 4 times, well, don't forget y is 5, isn't it? So 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 2, which is 10. Okay, so that whole block there is 10, and then you've got to add 5. Okay, so so here you've got 4 square root. Let's merge all these together. So 30 take away 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25. So all that there becomes 25. What is the square root of 25? Well, 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. You see, 6 squared is 36. We're trying to work out the square root of 25. So it's 5. So 5 squared is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so this whole bubble here is actually just 5. Okay, let's take the 4 down. So remember, it's one bubble multiplying this this bubble here. So this bubble here is 5. So the answer, the overall answer, is 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay. All right. How about this one here? Hang on. Not this one. This one here. Okay. This one here. Hang on. Okay. All right. So here remember our order. We've got multiplication and division are more important than adding and subtracting. And then we have powers. Remember, powers are quite important. But then more important than powers would be brackets. So here you've got to work out. You basically, hang on. You've got to work out all these here. Work out this whole bubble here, and then multiply it with this bubble here. So basically, they're multiplying each other. But before you can work out this bubble here, you've got to work out this bubble, add it to this one, add it to this one here. Okay. So yeah, learn to look at formulas, and then just basically follow it. So work out this bracket here first. What's inside here? So a squared. What's a squared? Try and whatever you can do inside your head. Try and do it inside your head. A squared means, look, this is a here. A is here. 4. 4 squared is 16, isn't it? So hang on. Let's do this. Hang on. 16. So this thing here becomes 16. Plus b. B is this bit here, 3. So it's plus 3. And then you take away. Here's a weird thing. C is minus 2. So the minus 2 goes into the C. But then you've got a minus here, okay? So just imagine that this is like a bubble here, and you're putting minus 2 into here. Remember, you've got a minus here. So a minus means you slide back and forth. If you have times, then they merge together. But because it's a minus, then it's going to slide back and forth. Here you've got a minus, so I normally plug the minus here, take it outside, so a minus and a minus becomes a positive. So so this here becomes, so we're removing the minus and take it outside here. Okay, so that becomes that's the same as saying plus 2. Okay, so let's do this now. 4b, 4 times b here, which is 12. So that becomes 12, and then minus. Let's try and do this bit first. Remember, minus is on the outside here. Okay, so so 3 here. 3 times c. Remember, c is minus 2, so 3 times minus 2. Remember, we are trying to work out what's inside the bubble here. This minus here is on the outside. You see that? Okay. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So this minus, so what's inside the bubble is actually minus 6. Now it's quite annoying when you have minus and minus. So take this minus and take it outside here, so it becomes a positive. Okay, minus and minus is like a positive. So that really is the same as saying 12 plus 6. Okay, so now let's these two will merge together to give us 19 plus 2 is 21. Okay, and then you've got, when two things are next to each other, it means times. So it's times here. 12 plus 8 is 18. So now it's just a matter of working out 12 times 18, 21 times 18. So 21 times 18. 8 times this would be 8. 8 times 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Use your own technique. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. Jump to a calculator if you want. Okay, and then 8, 7, 3. So the answer is 378. Okay. Yeah. Let's have a look at this bit here. Hang on. Learn to look at the formula. Basically, it's saying this bubble here times with this bubble here. But before you can work out this bubble here, you've got to work out these first. So the hard parts are minus here and the minus here. Okay.